Hi viewers, how are you? Hope so all of you are fine. Today I am going to discuss with you with a new PTC site which is called Eldicoin. Eldicoin is a sister site of Eldibux Croclix. Um, okay, all of you know that Eldibux Croclix already become a legit and trusted site. So there's a sister site we can trust on this site. At first we go to the terms and service, check out the terms and condition. Payment is processed within 7 business day, which is good, and fee member will get payment within 10 business days. Minimum payout is 1.5. It's a good news. All payments made by BTC, LTC, Coinbase actually. Now we go to the upgrade page, see what type of offer are available here. Membership price 30 day. There are 4 types of membership plan, and cost of them for 30 days free is free. Then crypto $15. Rent referral click commission 0.01. If you wish, you can start here from the beginning. So guys, you know that already to join a PTC site, at first you should become a member by fill up some information in registration page. I will be happy if you join my referral link, which is given to the description box. Now we see the price of rent referral. Okay, 5 referral for $1. Okay guys, if you wish, you can start here by joining, because the admin of this site is a trustable person, I hope. Okay, best of luck, see you maybe next time. Thanks.